The on button is located on the bottom right hand corner. As soon as you turn it on, the LED lights up. The main dial, when you first turn it on, adjusts the intensity of the light. You have to push the button and rotate the dial to change the Kelvin temperature. And then you push it back in to set again. So here you can choose the different channel, and then rotating the main dial will select A, B, C, D, E channel. And if you press channel again, it will actually change the channel, the main channel number. Now we're going to sync up the remote to the Godox Light itself. As you can see, they're on different channels. The light intensity in Kelvin is completely different. So now we have to sync up the remote with the Godox Light. So you can see my remote has a channel 7A. So that means we have to change the Godox LED light to have the exact same channel 7A. So click on the channel button and select and set it to 7 and the letter A. Give it a second, and then when it starts flashing, that means the settings have held. Now you can see my remote is synced up. And so as I make the changes to the light intensity as well as the Kelvin temperature on the remote, it now syncs up. One thing to note is it's not a two-way communication. If you make the changes to the LED light manually, it does not update the remote. So as you can see here, as I change it to 63, 60, it does not update the remote. However, once I make the changes on the remote itself, as you can see here, it syncs up again. So now it's aligned. Hi, this is Will from the Wong Reviewer. Thank you for watching the unboxing, assembly, and remote syncing of the LED Godox Light. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please stay tuned to my next video, which I will show the real-life application of using the Godox LED light for both photography and video work. So thank you for watching, and have a great day.